Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily watch your Twitter detailed statistic. So for doing this you just need this service, metriccool.com. Here you can see it. So here I just added my Twitter account, and here you can see my followers, how much tweets I have, how much people I'm following. I also added it 1 minute or 2 minutes ago, because that's why I don't have detailed statistics from all account how it grow up. So here you can see different ranking, you will see competitors and other different things. So for registration you just need to enter your email and verify your email, and after you do it you will enter to the service and just watching your statistics. For you can see here yesterday, last week, current months, last 30 days, previous months, or choose special dates. So that's all, thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.